15. What advancement in technology has allowed for significant improvements in weather forecasting? So, ano yung ginagamit natin na recent technology sa ating weather forecasting? Especially sa ginagamit na ni Pag-asa. Okay? So, anong sagot natin ito? Advancement. Very advanced na po ito. Aside from the three there na very traditional, di ba? Very traditional. Okay? Isa lang po dyan ang pinaka-advanced. Di ba? Asensado na siya. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin. Si barometer, saan natin siya ginagamit? Okay, pressure. Okay? Atmospheric pressure. Thermometer is about temperature. Wind vane naman is to air direction. O, ihi ka muna, Ma'am Haifa. Satellites po, yan po yung advanced technology natin so that para ma-improve yung weather forecasting. So these are some of the weather satellites na nasa outer space po. Okay? Nasa outer space. Now, talking about the Philippine satellites. Sige. Philippine satellites tayo review tayo sa mga Philippine satellites. So, kasi there are chances na lalabas po itong dalawa na, tatlo na ito. Okay? Let's start with the first microsatellite. Okay? The first microsatellite, we have Diwata 1. The first nanosatellite, we have the Maya 1. First Philippine satellite that was launched into space, that is the Agila 2.